Hey everyone, hope you all doing well. In this video, we'll learn how to generate AI videos for free without any subscription. So let's get started. First, open Wan.Video. The link is also attached in the description below. Once the website opens, click on the Try Now button at the top right corner. After that, click on Login button again located at the top right corner. You can continue with your Google account, but I'll choose Sign Up option and continue using email instead. Now enter your full name. For the email address, open temp mail and click on the first website. Wait for the email to be generated. Once the email is generated, copy it and paste it into Wan.Video. Now enter your password. Confirm the same password and click on continue. You will receive a verification code, so go back to temp mail and wait for the email to be received. Open the email and copy the verification code you received from Wan.Video and paste it into the verification section and then click on continue. Finally, our sign up is complete. Now simply enter your prompt and click on submit. Since we are using the free version, the video generation process may take a little longer and it may cause some time due to the slow internet, so don't be worried about that. Here you go, our AI video has been generated successfully. You can also download it easily even without the watermark. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.